Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this CATIA tutorial, I am going to show you how to use the pad command, how to use the pocket command, how to make an hollow section, how to add a thickness to a given component. So let's get started. This is the component I have made from the pad command. I will going to show you the sketch from which I have made it. So it contains a dimension like breadth 100 mm and the height is 50 mm. So let me just hide some of the unnecessary component, like select it and left click and hide option will appear. It's just that simple. So let me make it a little quick. Okay, so now I will rotate and see the section again. Just use the pan command and from the left click drag it and see the component. Fit it to the exact dimension so that you can use it very clearly. Now I'm going to show you how to rename the pad which you have done. So go into the properties, go to the feature properties. Here we can change the naming of the pad. This is very much important because when we are going to use the components in a bulk, it won't create any confusion for us to select which component what we have done, and it will make our process very easier. So in this I have done a bar which has the dimensions of 100 into 50 into 500 mm. Similarly, for the sketch, we can use the feature properties and we can change the name to avoid the confusion. So the next very important thing, which is the open subtree. So what we basically do for the open subtree, here we can see the applications which we have done in the sketch section. This you can see here, and we can modify it accordingly. What does the geometric set contains? Geometric set contains the extra plane which we have made. It will get included in the geometric sets. So for this it is being used. Now what is left is like we need to redefine the dimension of the pad operation what we have done. The length which we have given is 500 meter. Now what I have done is mirror direction. It will make the same component on the other side. So currently we don't need that, so I'm going to keep it as like it was before. Here what we are facing is like the thing which I have done like mirror, it has been done in opposite direction. So what we have to do is reverse the direction again. So we have come back to the same thing. Now if we need to make a hollow section, we have to select on the thick. Then here you can see some of the parameters. This is length. If we change the length, then it will change the original length what it was before from the origin. The thickness 2, here the thickness 2 and thickness 1 are there. Thickness 2 resembles the inside thickness which can be seen from the surface top to the inside bottom, and thickness 1 gives the thickness that is from the surface to the outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the front view. Here we can see the thickness which we are going to alter. I have given the thickness to as 5 mm and the other thickness 1 as same as 5 mm. So let's see what will happen. Here you can see the thickness what I have given. Here from the original dimension it will be like 5 mm greater because I have given thickness 1 as 5 mm. You can see the hollow pipe like structure. Again there are many more options, but we basically use the edit parameters or definition. In edit parameter we can alter the dimension as it was preset before while doing the sketching. Again we are going to do the definition, and here what we are going to do now is like we need to change the inclination of the pad. If we want to incline the pad along the line which we want or along some a degree or an angle, then what we need to do? First, what we need to do is select the plane which is suitable to make a profile. Now, what I'm going to use is ZX plane. Here I'm going to do a sketch, roughly a line which is inclined to some degree. Let us take suppose 15 degree or so. So this will form the basis. Now what I'm going to do is exit the sketch. Here we can see the profile, the pad structure is there and one line profile is there. Now we are going to delete this pad, but make sure that uncheck the delete excluding parameter, because if we check it, then both sketch and pad structure will get deleted. If we want to make a pad on the given line, then we need to select first the sketch, and then we need to select the profile to which we are going to make. Oh, I made a mistake somewhere, I guess. Again, I will do select the sketch, then select the pad command. Again, yes. Now reverse the direction. Select the more option. Go to the uncheck the normal to the profile, then select the line. Now it is inclined to some angle. Here you can see the structure made inclined to the line. What we have wanted to do. We will hide the sketch and see the original. Now we are going to go to the previous what we have made, the same thing. Like again we are going to select it, and if we do the normal, it will go to the original position. But we prefer to make it along the line. So the sketch has already been selected and the pad command is open. Now what we have to do is uncheck the normal to profile, select the line again, and again it will make pad along the line segment. Update it and just check it again and change the definition. Make it same as before it was by going to the thick section. If you want to do alteration in the thickness, then you can make it. I want to shorten the length of the pipe by 200 mm. So it can be seen now. If you want to extend, then you have to give the same dimension in opposite sign. So you can see that 200 mm section has been extruded from the initial point. I'll make it same as it was before. So this was all about this video. In next video, we are going to see how to make a draft and how to make chamfer, then fillet. We are going to cover this in the next video. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel and also like my video and comment below what you want to see in the next section. If you are among the one who want to excel their knowledge in the CATIA software, please check out my other videos and also share it to the aspirants who are in need of this.